In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find tags in Freshsales Crm. Tags in Freshsales are simple labels you can use to organize records and make information easier to filter, search, and manage. When you need to review what tags exist in your account, or confirm the exact spelling of a tag before using it, the fastest place to check is inside your admin settings. Start by looking at the left-hand sidebar in Freshsales. You are going to navigate to Admin Settings, which is represented by a gear icon. This area is where account-wide configuration options live, so it is typically limited to users with the right permissions. If you do not see the gear icon, it usually means you do not have admin access, and you will need to ask an administrator to either grant access or check the tags for you. Once you are in Admin Settings, move to Account Settings. Account Settings is where Freshsales groups important configuration items that affect how your whole team works, including things like account preferences and data organization tools. Inside Account Settings, select Tags. When you open the Tags section, you will see the complete list of tags that are currently available in your Freshsales account. Take a moment to scan the list carefully. This is the best way to confirm whether a tag already exists before creating or applying another one that is similar. It also helps you stay consistent with naming, especially if multiple people on your team apply tags to records. As you review the tag list, pay attention to capitalization and spacing, since tags that look similar can still be treated as different labels depending on how they were created. Keeping tags consistent makes reporting and filtering cleaner later on. At this point, you have successfully found where Freshsales stores and displays all tags. You can return to the same tags page anytime you need to verify what tags are in use across the account. And that is all there is to it.